AirDrop is a great way to share files between two Macs, two iOS devices, or between a Mac and iOS device. With AirDrop, the devices don't need to be on the same network, but they will need to have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth activated. Here in Control Center, you can see that both are turned on this Mac. Over in the Finder sidebar, I've added the AirDrop folder, which can be done from the sidebar section of Finder settings. From here, we'll be able to see my own devices that are available for AirDrop and those of other people. So if I unlock my iPhone, it will appear here under My Devices. If I then unlock Drew's iPhone, he will appear under the People section. If Drew had unlocked his iPad or Mac, he will still appear here only as Drew. If you were then to lock his iPhone or is no longer nearby, he'll be removed from the AirDrop section. Notice down here that we can allow this Mac to be discovered on AirDrop by everyone, contacts only, or no one. With contacts only those that have me saved in their Contacts app with my associated Apple account email or phone number will be able to see this device as available for AirDrop. I would only switch this to everyone if you're ready to AirDrop with someone that's not saved as a contact. Otherwise, I always leave this set to contacts only. So let's share a file by drag and drop to my own iPhone 12. So I'll bring up that iPhone here, and then on the Mac, just drag a file onto the device here in the AirDrop folder. Since this is my own device, it will transfer over automatically, and it opens in the Photos app since it was an image file. Now let's send a PDF to Drew via AirDrop. This time though, we're not going to use the AirDrop folder. I'm just going to right-click on the file, go to Share and AirDrop. From here I can select Drew. Then on his device, he can accept or decline the AirDropped file. Accept and that PDF will open up. Next, let's AirDrop from Drew's iPhone over to my Mac. From this screenshot, we can tap Share and then AirDrop. Then, since Warren is saved as a contact, he appears and we can send this over to him. Now on the Mac, Warren can choose whether to save the file or decline the AirDrop. Let's save this to the Downloads folder. AirDrop is a really easy and super fast way to share files, links, maps, and other items between your own devices or with others. Just look for it in the Share button on Mac or iOS. Utilizing Bluetooth, AirDrops can be done out on the street from device to device with no need to go through a Wi-Fi network.